Reason to add vitamin C serum to your skincare routine. Vitamin C serum has many health benefits for your skin, including promoting collagen production and protecting against sun damage. Vitamin C serum is a skincare product that contains a concentrated form of vitamin C, an essential nutrient for skin. It is a popular component of many skincare routines due to its various skincare benefits. Firstly, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from harmful free radicals and environmental stress, such as ultraviolet radiation and pollution. This antioxidant protect, help and prevent premature aging by reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and age spots. Additionally, vitamin C is known for its ability to brighten and even out the skin tone. It inhibits the production of melanin and pigment responsible for dark spots and hyperpigmentation, leading to a more radiant and youthful complexion. Vitamin C has also been found to stimulate collagen production, a protein that maintains skin elasticity and firmness. Increasing collagen level can help improve the skin overall texture and reduce the visibility of scar and acne marks. Prepare your own vitamin C serum at home. Ingredient: 2 capsules of vitamin C, 1 tablespoon glycerin, 2 tablespoons rose water, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, and sun-dried orange peel. Mix together and mix well. And blend. Strain this ingredient and add aloe vera gel and mix well. Store at room temperature for 5 to 6 months. You should always do a patch test to assess your skin of allergy reaction. Here's how. Number 1. Select a small area of skin that easy to conceal like your forearm. Number 2. Apply a small amount of serum and wait 24 hours. Number 3. If no side effect occur, you can apply it to your face. Discontinue use if you develop a rash, redness or hives. Vitamin C serum is typically applied once or twice per day.